What's going on, guys? Nathan with Technology Smash, back with another video. Today I have an opening and an unboxing of this. This is a really cool pocket projector that I got on Amazon. This is a new one. I actually repurchased for random reasons. I had to get another one and send the other one back. It wasn't defective or anything. There was just some stuff with how it was purchased, and Amazon couldn't fix it, so they recommended send it back and buy this new one. So I'm going to unbox this one after I found out how much I like it and how cool it is. So this is a tiny little pocket projector that Anker kind of advertises as the size of a soda can, but to me it's even smaller, and you'll see that in a second. This thing is really cool. It's made entirely out of metal. It has speakers all the way around it. It has an in for HDMI, and then really it just charges up with a micro USB connection and plug-in. It can also be doubled as a Bluetooth speaker, so you can switch it over to not be using any of the projection stuff, and you just use the actual like internal speaker. So it's really cool. It also is running, you can see at the bottom there, Android 7.1, if I can get close enough. So what's cool about this over other options is that you can just load stuff right from the operating system. You don't have to plug anything in external, so that's pretty cool. It is a modified version of Android, and I have seen people in the review section on Amazon saying that you can unlock full Android through Anker if you just contact them. I don't know if I'm going to do that. I probably will, depending on how it goes, but it looks like only certain apps are available through here. So I've tried like YouTube, I've tried Amazon Prime, I've tried Netflix and stuff like that, like the normal stuff. So just taking a look around, it just has some stats and things on the back, but we don't really need to go through all that. The main things that you need to know is it comes with the capsule itself, a remote control, and then the cables that you would need to use it. So let's go ahead and open it up. Really cool device. Like, it's expensive. It's not cheap. This one was $300. The original one I bought was $320. So that was another part of it, is they couldn't adjust the price. But let's get into this. Really cool packaging, very unique. Just the way overall that it's set up. So again, this was $299. There is cheaper projectors out there, but with everything you get with this, I think that for me at least, having some gift cards and stuff like that, it was worth it using it on this. I've already used it for my kids a few times, and it's really cool to just set up in a room that's pretty dark, and it works pretty well. So you can go up to 100 inches. So a couple of the things on the back: Android 7.1. Native resolution is 854 by 480. Brightness 100 ANSI lumens. 5200 milliamp hour battery. Input is 9 volt and 2 amps, and then it connects through Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, HDMI, and it does micro USB. I wish it was USB Type-C, but it's okay. I have more micro USB anyway. So you're just going to pull this little sticker here, and then this kind of has that like magnetic clasp that a lot of nicer packaging does, which I like. So it's got this little fabric tab. There's a little picture on the inside of people hanging out using it in front of a tent. So you pull off this top. Obviously you guys know, if you watch the channel, I like cool unboxings, and this is definitely one of them. So this little packet we'll put over here for just a second. Here's the capsule. I'll move also because I want to show that last. And it's in like this nice padded foam. I've talked about this before, and actually just on my last video, but packaging does add to cost. So keep that in mind when you do see really cool packaging. It costs money to do that. So this bottom box kind of just sits underneath the rest. So we'll open that up, and inside you have, actually, you know what? I forgot about this, so that's cool. So in here we just have an Anker branded micro USB cable, so nothing special. This section, which is cool, is a quick charge 3.0. You know what? This might be used. I guess we'll find out if there's anything else on it. So you can see this is a quick charge adapter that they give you, so it will charge up quicker. Another Anker branded one too, so we'll set that to the side. Now in this sleeve packet, I'm pretty sure looking at this that somebody has used this before, so that's not cool. This has definitely been returned at some point. The packaging is just not tight and nice like it should be. So in here we have a HDMI to a micro USB cord, so this is really small, pretty cool, a couple inches. A microfiber cloth, Anker branded, a little carrying case, a mesh bag. This is pretty nice. And then there's nothing in that one. And then this part slides out to, get that out of the way there. Inside is a remote. That still seems to be sealed, but I also didn't know at first that it came with a remote like that, so could be why for the other package. Little booklets asking if you're happy, sad, mad. And then an owner's manual that's pretty thick. So a lot of stuff in there. And the remote's pretty nice. It's got like a soft touch, rubbery plastic feel to it. So a little better than average. I don't think that this was ever opened if the package was. So no, it has the little battery saver on there. But here's the remote. So you have power, mouse, so you can actually scroll around with a mouse if you're not being accurate with the pointers. Directional pad with OK in the middle, like a hamburger menu thing, a home button, a back button, and then volume up and down because the sound that comes out of this is pretty decent. So here's the actual device itself, and you can see it is a smaller diameter, just around of a soda can, but the height is pretty dead on, and that's kind of what they advertise. There's a little piece of protection over the screen here. It's really hard to tell if this was open and used before. Some of the stuff doesn't look packaged perfectly, and even the sticker holding the box together was kind of put on haphazardly, so we'll see when I turn it on if whoever had it possibly before forgot to reset their info. So looking around the actual thing, this, like I said, the whole thing is metal. You can see the lens right there, and the projection comes out of the top. Just says Nebula at the bottom. This whole thing all the way around is a speaker grill, so speaker comes out of the entire part. This is a focus wheel here. This is the IR blaster indicator on the back for the remote control, and then you have your HDMI in and your micro USB right here to charge it in for the input. On the bottom you do have a mount for a tripod, so you can kind of set this up, and then the whole bottom has this like rubberized foot so that when you do set it down, it tends to stay in place wherever it is. On the top here we have a power button, volume up and down, and then this is Bluetooth mode, so if you press and hold that, this thing shuts off projection mode and turns into a speaker. So that's really cool. I tried it. It's not, amazing, but it's cool that that's an option on there. So go ahead and try to turn this on. You just hold the power button. We'll see what happens. So it is turning on. I'm going to try to load it just by pointing it down here and kind of see what happens. I did get a warranty that I purchased with this as well through Amazon, through SquareTrade. If you haven't used them before, they're a company that you can buy warranties through for pretty much anything. I've used them in the past, and I've actually used them for claims too, and they seem to be on the up and up. They've gotten a little bit worse quality over the years from way in the past, but this is on the main setup screen. So I guess as long as this doesn't really have any major issues that I see, I'll probably end up holding on to this one. I don't want to return it again, but I'll kind of come back to this and let you guys know the features that it actually does. You can kind of press and hold that power button. So you see it runs Android. It has like that Android power off screen. But yeah, this thing is super, super cool. I really like random and like well-built tech, and this thing is very solid. Like I said, it's all metal. That nice rubber foot on the bottom. The top is metal and like almost like a glass finish. The remote is really nice. So I thought you guys might want to see that real quick. And I hadn't seen anything pop up on this, and I kept seeing it when I was researching Projector, so I thought I'd try it out, and I wanted to let you guys know how much I liked it. So I'll try to do another follow-up video that actually shows it in action and kind of what you can do with it and why it would be a good option for somebody even at its price. So But as for now, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys next time. Later.